Los Gatos Dental Group is a full-service dental group practice where we take care of people basically from cradle to grave.
Our practice is a lot different than other dental practices around. We don't just treat the mouth, we're treating the whole body, because the mouth is connected to everything. So we spend a lot of time looking at the health of the gums, the type of bacteria that are present, and the overall function of the teeth to help complete the body and give you a nice functional set of teeth.
We have been learning a lot about the link between the bacteria that's found in the mouth and some systemic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. And we have a microscope here will tell us whether you have some of the more pathogenic or harmful bacterias. And we feel that that's very important because good oral health will actually promote good systemic health.
We offer a very large range of services for a general dental practice. We work with Invisalign and some other types of orthodontics, other ways to move teeth, cleaning, gum surgeries, root canals, fillings, crowns, implants.
If someone has been told they don't have enough bone for implants, we have a couple of different choices, from small diameter implants that need less bone to custom implants that fit on top of the bone.
My philosophy in practice is to treat my patients the same way that I would want to be treated, and also the way that I would treat my mom. I know that sounds very cliche, but that truly is my approach in dentistry.
We get the opportunity to change people's lives significantly for the better. Someone that has no teeth and we give them fixed teeth back like their third set, those people realize exactly how their life has been improved, and I love to do that.